This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Nitraflex pre-workout. Start by mixing 1 scoop of Nitraflex pre-workout with 8 to 10 ounces of cold water. It's best to consume this powerful blend about 30 minutes before you begin your exercise routine. If you're new to pre-workouts or sensitive to stimulants, consider starting with just half a scoop to assess your tolerance. This ensures a safe and effective experience as you introduce it into your fitness regimen. For optimal results, it's crucial to stick to the recommended dosage. Never exceed 1 scoop of Nitraflex within any 24-hour period. To ensure a good night's sleep, avoid consuming it within 5 hours of your bedtime, as the stimulants can interfere with rest. This pre-workout is designed for your training days, so save it for when you truly need that extra boost. Proper hydration is key when using any pre-workout, especially Nitraflex. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout your entire workout session. It's also important to avoid combining Nitraflex with other stimulant-based supplements to prevent overstimulation. However, you can safely stack it with non-stimulant options such as creatine or branched-chain amino acids to further enhance your performance. Before incorporating Nitraflex into your routine, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions. If you experience any adverse reactions, such as jitters or an upset stomach, discontinue use immediately. Remember to store your Nitraflex in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency and effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.